Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the visual and control pieces, create a menu backdrop and a game backdrop so you can switch scenes. Once done, add a menu sprite and give it 3-button costumes labeled Play, Options, Quit. This lets you change appearance without extra sprites. Next, create 2 variables, selection to track which button and menu visible to show or hide the menu. Now place a script on the flag to broadcast Show Menu, so the menu appears when you want to begin. Now you wire the interactivity. On each button costume, add a When This Sprite Clicked block that sets selection to play /options/quit and broadcasts a matching message like Start Game. Also implement hover feedback, use touching mouse pointer, and switch costume or set ghost effect to 0. 5 for a highlight. Once a button is confirmed, broadcast the corresponding message. In the main control script, listen for that broadcast to switch backdrop. Hide the menu by setting menu visible. Finish by ensuring your menu resets correctly on the green flag. Set menu visible to true, selection to none, show menu backdrop, and broadcast show menu. Add keyboard shortcuts for quick testing, space to start, O for options, ESC to quit, and tie them to the same broadcast so input is consistent. Test transitions multiple times. If buttons do nothing, check one key item, matching broadcast names, and that the menu sprite is on top layer and not hidden by other sprites. Correct that and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.